Get rid of your glasses by mixing baking soda with cucumber and recover your eyesight in just 7 days. You will never wear glasses or contacts again. We will start by cutting a half cucumber into small pieces. Then we will add a little vinegar of your choice and a tablespoon of baking soda. The astringent properties, the cooling effect that cucumber has makes it a perfect ally to combat tired eyes. In a container, we are going to extract the juice of an orange, and also we are going to extract the juice of a lemon. When we don't consume enough vitamins, the eyes can't stay moist enough to prevent dry eye. We add cucumber and 200 milliliters of water. We will leave this for a few minutes. Cucumber has a composition to which many health benefits are attributed. When it is well blended, remove and strain. Now we will add the orange juice and the lemon that we already extracted. It is not always necessary to resort to chemical products or natural solutions. If you need your eyes to go back to how they were before, you already know that something as cheap and as easy as this recipe can help you. Until next time, thank you.